Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to change video speed in the VLLO app. It is useful if you want to create slow motion effects or speed up parts of your video. First, open the VLLO app. Within it, you can just create a new project or open an existing one. Once you are inside the editor, you will see your video clips in the timeline at the bottom. Now tap on the video clip that you want to adjust. When the clip is selected, editing option will appear. From the editing tools, make sure to scroll down until you see speed option, then tap on the speed option. Within it, you will see a speed control slider. Drag the slider to the left to slow down the video or to the right to speed up the video. As you adjust the slider, you will see the preview updates in the real time and the clip's length in the timeline will also change automatically. If you want to apply different speed to the different parts of the video, you can just split the first video and then change the speed for each section individually. In order to speed, you can just tap on the split, then again tap speed, then make sure to change the speed and you will see the changes in video length in real time. Once you are happy with the speed, tap done to apply the changes. And that's it, you have successfully changed the video speed in the VLLO. So if you find this tutorial helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video with more easy VLLO editing tips.